Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is the good singer. Our topic is the good singer. Every student of music should learn how to sing properly and enjoyably to the admiration and blessing of those who listen to him. Singing, like and other arts, can be learnt. A good singer is one who has good breath control, sings his notes at the correct pitch, keeps correct rhythm, sings with a good tone quality. Breath control is a very important aspect of singing. The strength and quality of voice is determined by good breathing and breath control ability. This involves the steady flow of air that flows the lungs to produce strong and beautiful tone. It is not possible to sing correctly without singing each note of the piece correctly to the required pitch of the music. Rhythm is the regular beat of music or dance. Music without correct rhythm is like a heart that is diseased and failing. Your music must not have heart trouble. Keep a steady beat. Production of good tone involves some of the points raised above. In addition, it involves good pronunciations of words with appropriate expressions to heighten the message being passed across. As far as breathing in and out is concerned, the rule is that breathing in or inhaling is done through the nose and mouth quickly while singing. When there is plenty of time, breathing in should be slow and deep, and the nursery should be used. However, when the time to breathe is short, it is done through the mouth and nostrils. While breathing in should be done as quickly as possible, breathing out, on the other hand, should be gradual. Do not let out or let the entire air gush out at once. Remember, quick inhaling and slow exhaling should be the pattern all the time. It is possible to stand or sit to sing properly. Whichever way is chosen, it is important to stand or sit erect, not slumped or with the ends supporting the jaw or with the end standing or sitting erect will ensure the flow of the stream of air from the lungs to the mouth. Do not forget that while singing, your chest must be kept comfortably raised throughout and the shoulders relaxed. So, children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.